Good day, ma'am. I am John Lipakog from the Scream 2E. I am here to recite the 92 specific phobias. Arachnophobia, the fear of spiders. Opidiophobia, the fear of snakes. Acrophobia, the fear of heights. Agoraphobia, the fear of crowded spaces. Cynophobia, the fear of dogs. Astrophobia, the fear of lightning or thunder. Claustrophobia, the fear of enclosed spaces. Mysophobia, the fear of germs. Aerophobia, the fear of flying. Trypophobia, the fear of holes. Carcinophobia, the fear of cancer. Thanatophobia, the fear of death. Glossophobia, the fear of public speaking. Monophobia, the fear of being alone. Ataichophobia, the fear of failure. Omitophobia, the fear of birds. Alectorophobia, the fear of chickens. Inoculophobia, the fear of crowds. Trypanophobia, the fear of needles. Anthrophobia, the fear of people. Aquaphobia, the fear of water. Autophobia, the fear of abandonment. Hemophobia, the fear of blood. Gamophobia, the fear of commitment or marriage. Xenophobia, the fear of the unknown. Vehophobia, the fear of driving. Babyphobia, the fear of falling. Achievement phobia, the fear of success. Theophobia, the fear of God. Ailurophobia, the fear of cats. Metadiciophobia, the fear of change. Globophobia, the fear of balloons. Nyctophobia, the fear of darkness. Androphobia, the fear of men. Phobophobia, the fear of fear. Philophobia, the fear of love. Triskaidekaphobia, the fear of bad luck or the fear of bad luck. Emetophobia, the fear of vomiting. Gyphyrophobia, the fear of bridges. Anthropophobia, the fear of bugs and insects. Lepidopterophobia, the fear of butterflies. Podophobia, the fear of feet. Parasomniphobia, the fear of sleep. Gynophobia, the fear of women. Apiphobia, the fear of bees. Anatidaephobia, the fear of ducks. Kumpanophobia, the fear of bottoms. Pyrophobia, the fear of fire. Rhinidophobia, the fear of frogs. Galeophobia, the fear of sharks. Antasagoraphobia, the fear of being forgotten. Letrophobia, the fear of doctors. Pediophobia, the fear of dolls. Catsaridaphobia, the fear of cockroach. Lechophobia, the fear of fish. Motiphobia, the fear of moth. Zoophobia, the fear of animals. Bananaphobia, the fear of banana. Sclerophobia, the fear of crime. Cybophobia, the fear of food. Phasmophobia, the fear of ghosts. Echinophobia, the fear of horses. Mosophobia, the fear of mice. Catoptrophobia, the fear of never. Agliophobia, the fear of pain. Tocophobia, the fear of pregnancy. Telephonophobia, the fear of talking on phone. Pogonophobia, the fear of birds. Pugonophobia, the fear of spot people. Trypophobia, the fear of hair. Misokamyophobia, the fear of hospitals. Megarophobia, the fear of loud noises. Technophobia, the fear of technology. Chronophobia, the fear of future. Ergophobia, the fear of work. So, ergophobia, the fear of works. Chorophobia, the fear of clowns. Photophobia, the fear of lights. Numerophobia, the fear of numbers. Ombrophobia, the fear of rain. Coasterphobia, the fear of roller coaster. Myrmecophobia, the fear of ants. Taphophobia, the fear of being buried alive. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.